Alright, this is the unboxing for the Ryzen 2700X. So Micro Center has this for $199 currently on sale, right before kind of the launch of the new Ryzen 3000 series. So definitely great value for the money. At $200 for 8 core and 16 threads. So let's take a look at what this has in the box. So comes with the actual processor. You can see there with the sticker on it. And then it also has the cooler fan. And that's everything that's in the box. So we'll open this one later. So looking at the cooler. It's got, looks like clear fans. It's got RGB on the ring, and it's a fairly large cooler. You can kind of see the size of things. It's got your fan header, and then over here it's got some connectors. You can see you can connect your RGB cables. And it's got the thermal paste at the bottom. You probably won't be using this cooler, the stock cooler, but definitely great value that they're including such a great cooler with the CPU. You could definitely, this is definitely adequate for, you know, running at stock and maybe even some light overclocking. The rest of the items in the box is these two RGB header cables. So you can see one is for, it looks like, for the fan control, probably the RGB software control right here, and then this is the RGB header you can see here. So all the included cables are there for you to use. Awesome. Then finally looking at the CPU, it's in this little box. So in this box we have this Ryzen CPU, you can see here, in addition to a sticker. So here's what the back looks like. This is actually, I think, really great packaging in comparison to some of the Intel ones in the last few years. And then last but not least, installation instructions and certificate authenticity. Just some basic instructions, but that is pretty much it. So we'll be installing this in a little bit to see how it performs and take a look at the thermals. Alright, so this is an unboxing for the Ryzen 2700X. If you like this video and hope to see more, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.